she wants, but you should see some tricks my dog Sonia will do. Sonia, go get it, go get it. Oh, you something dog. Do not shake, Sonia. Do not. Come over here.
Oh gosh. Oh.
That's how I move dog. Okay, you gotta be careful with that camera. Okay.
Yeah.
Go get it, Sonia. Go get it. Go get it. Come on, Sonia. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Do the painful one.
What painful one?
Remember?
Oh, no way, Jose.
Yeah, YouTube will eat that up. They love when you get hurt.
Fine, but it's painful. Let's go, Sonia. This is a dangerous trick. Without Sonia on it.
Sonia, go in the water, not get me wet.
Sonia. It's painful.
Here's the most funny one ever.
Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it!
Did that hurt?
Yes, it did.
That's the point.
Ouchies. What else trick should we do?
I don't know. Make Sonia bark, that one.
What?
The one where Sonia barks a bunch.
Oh.
Piss her off. I knew that was gonna happen. It always happens.
No, don't go over there. No, don't turn on the camera. Oh yes, you'll drag me.
Aw, you suck, Hiccups.
Go get it, Sonia. Go get it. Whee! I don't know. Woo! Woohoo!
Better get that before Sonia does.
Woo! Oh, she caught that. Yummy.
It's a bit obvious she will, right?
Remember, post a video response or comment what your dog can do. Goodbye.
Subscribe too. Okay?
Subscribe! Woo! Hit that golden button.
The golden button?
Yep.
Uh-oh, I think Sonia wants to play.
Black wording. SUBSCRIBE. Goodbye. Did you hit it again?